Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome to the online class. I hope you all are doing good and you have enjoyed your Diwali vacation. So, from now onwards, we will start with the new online video of subject English with Unit 3 poem Growing Up. Mr. Thomas Frog. Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail, and his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. The butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. So, students, in this poem, the poet says, Little Tommy Tadpole began to weep and wail, for little Tommy Tadpole had lost his little tail. Poet says a little tadpole. Tadpole means a baby frog. This is the stage in the life of a frog when that baby frog has only long tail. They don't have any arms or legs. So poet says a little Tommy Tadpole, a little baby frog whose name was Tommy. Okay, he began to cry loudly. Why he was crying? Because he had lost his tail. On losing his tail, he was crying. And his mother didn't know him as he wept upon a log, for he wasn't Tommy Tadpole but Mr. Thomas Frog. He sat on a piece of a wood. Log means a piece of wood. He sat on the piece of a wood and cried. At that time, his own mother didn't recognize him as that he was her own son. Why? Why she didn't recognize him? Because he was no longer a tadpole. He was no longer a baby frog. Because of that, her mother didn't recognize him. Now he had grown up and he was Mr. Thomas Frog. From little tadpole, he became Mr. Thomas Frog. The butterfly. The fuzzy little caterpillar curled upon a leaf, made herself a chrysalis, and then fell asleep. Fuzzy means covered with soft, fine hair that sticks up. The soft or fine hair that sticks to the body. Okay. Caterpillar is the stage in the life cycle of butterfly, and chrysalis is also a stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. Or also it is chrysalis means the hard case in which caterpillar lies. Caterpillar stays in that hard case till it transforms into a butterfly. Here poet says the caterpillar with soft fine hair lay curled upon a leaf. She spun a hard covering around herself and then went to sleep. The caterpillar covered herself with her soft fine hair and went to sleep. While she was sleeping, she dreamed that she could fly, and later, when she woke up, she was a butterfly. As she slept, she dreamed that she could fly. Later on, when she woke up, she found herself that she turned into a butterfly. She turned from the caterpillar to the butterfly. So in this poem, the poet tells us about the changes that take place in the life of a frog and a butterfly as they are growing up. So student, as you also are growing up, there are so many changes that takes place in your life. So students, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Till then, thank you. Jazakallah.